Hi guys and gals, welcome to Jankowski Speed and Off-Road, where we're going to do just a small project. I have a 2008 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD that the mode actuator, or the mode door actuator quit working in my truck this spring, and it wouldn't blow out the vents, like the AC out the vents, they fail and defrost. So just to get by, I um, got it into the position so it would shoot out the vents and unplugged it. So all summer it's just been blowing out the vents. But now it's fall. It's 40 some degrees out right now and it's getting cold in the morning and I need that defrost to work. So we're gonna replace that uh, mode door actuator and hopefully that's all it is. Here we go. All right, here's our actuator that we're gonna replace. And you're gonna need a this is a 5.5 millimeter socket, which is an odd size, and a 1/4 inch ratchet. Probably need a little extension too. Um, Here is the part number off of the box here. Um, it is an AC Delco part, or it's supposed to be. So we'll get to work. All right, so the actuator is on the driver's side, up under the dash. One thing that's going to be in your way is the floor vents here. There is if I can see it here, I got a bunch of stuff going on here. There is a clip up there. I don't know if you can see that up in there that you could take off. I'm just going to pull back on it. And you can actually get it out of the way. And I just put it right behind the brake pedal there. And then you can get access to there. That's your actuator right there. So you can see I have it unplugged. I just have to pull these two bolts out and the whole thing should just pop right off. All right, there's the old one. There's the new one. There's the screws I took out. Yes, I have a dirty pickup. I guess it's really not that bad, but it sits up just inside there. So I'm gonna get the new one put in. Wish I could get a video of that, getting it in there, but it's really tight and I can't do it. So, well, we'll get it in and we'll test it out. Okay, it's in. Right now I have it on floor and defrost vents. Right now it's coming out of the floor. I'm gonna change the setting here and you'll see that motor change. There it goes. All right, back in action again. Now the last thing to do, hook this vent back up. Pull back on it, get it lined up, push it in, and you're ready to go. Hey guys and gals, I hope that helped. If you guys are running into anything like that, not guaranteeing that that'll be the fix for you, but that was the fix for me. It's pretty common for that to happen. When they fail, they just go into defrost and they don't do anything else. I mean, the AC, everything came on. It was just coming out of the defrost vents. And that should be for half-ton, 3/4-ton, 1-ton Chevys. This was dual climate control, so you have one for each side of the truck. This is an LT. I don't know if you can't figure it out. I mean, what you could do is talk to like call your local dealer and give them the VIN, and they could give you the right part number for it. You don't necessarily have to buy it from them. I know a lot of times they're a little more expensive. I got this one off of eBay. It was like $100 and some, and it's supposed to be an AC Delco part. But hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.